What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're checking out AahSheet, a suite of AI Google Sheets, SEO flows, and quick functions that help you create content on autopilot. AahSheet helps you create SEO-optimized content without spending a pretty penny on AI. All you need is a little training for each tool, and you'll be up and at them in no time. Let's start with their flagship product, the Bulk Builder Max Sheet. To get started, add your favorite AI key like OpenAI, Claude, or OpenRouter to unlock unlimited content. From there, you can connect to tools like NeuronWriter, SurfaceAI, WordPress, and Shopify. And don't worry, you can switch AI models at any point, blending various outputs to generate top-tier content. After setting everything up, just follow 6 simple steps to start building out your content. Nothing is too complicated with AahSheet. Next, you'll add keywords. You can grab those from Google Keyword Planner, RFS, or SEMrush, or generate them yourself. Want more keyword ideas? Just use the Content Ideas feature to create related content and generate more keyword matches. Pro tip, this lifetime deal gets a lot sweeter when you upgrade to Tier 2. With this, you can generate content using NeuronWriter and SurfaceAI's API to create perfect scores. Access 16 sheets and the Google Search Scraper, and loads of exclusive features. Alright, let's get back to the video. Avoid rewriting content with task tags. With these, you can request that the AI include specific details, companies, bullet lists, and URLs. From here, AahSheet will run the script and start generating content. You could have 5 rows, you could have 50. AahSheet is designed to generate content at scale, saving you loads of time and money. And here you have it, all your terms, headers, keywords, and the main title. But let's say you wanted to mention a specific company. Just create that task tag and apply it everywhere, like in your headers and main title. Once your outline's good to go, you can generate articles, auto-create internal links with AI, and generate AI images. Then you're ready to publish straight to WordPress, Shopify, or any other website. You also get access to the NeuronWriter and SurfaceAI Bulk Builder Max Sheet. Simply add your API key to AahSheet, create a project in NeuronWriter, add your NeuronWriter project ID to AahSheet, and start plugging in keywords. All the keywords and terms will automatically be added to NeuronWriter. Then AahSheet will start to scale that out. AahSheet's packed with loads of shortcuts called magic functions. You can use them for a variety of things, like extracting titles and headers from any URL. You can even build custom templates, like a content calendar, and use the AI function to generate copy for weeks or months at a time. With AahSheet, you can create as much content as you need for one low price. All you got to do is click Buy Now to lock in your lifetime access to AahSheet today.